The Instant Pot IP-DUO60 stands out as a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance, renowned for its ability to streamline meal preparation while offering a wide array of cooking functions. This 6-quart, 1,000-watt electric pressure cooker has revolutionized home cooking by integrating 7 appliances into one compact unit: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. Crafted with a sleek stainless steel exterior, the IP-DUO60 not only enhances kitchen aesthetics, but also ensures durability and ease of cleaning. Its 6-quart capacity makes it suitable for preparing meals for small to medium-sized families, offering ample space for soups, stews, meats, and more. The front panel features an intuitive control interface with a bright LED display and clearly labeled buttons, allowing users to select cooking functions and adjust settings effortlessly. This user-friendly design simplifies operation, whether setting a delayed start, adjusting cooking times, or selecting from the pre-programmed cooking modes. Equipped with a stainless steel steaming rack, the IP-DUO60 efficiently steams vegetables, seafood, and dumplings, preserving nutrients and flavors without added fats or oils. The IP-DUO60 is not only a time-saving appliance, but also an energy-efficient one, consuming up to 70% less energy compared to traditional cooking methods. Its ability to cook quickly under pressure preserves nutrients and flavors, while its multifunctionality reduces the need for multiple appliances cluttering the kitchen. The Instant Pot IP-DUO60, with its 6-quart capacity and 1,000-watt power, exemplifies innovation and practicality in modern kitchen appliances. Its versatility, ease of use, and commitment to safety make it a preferred choice for novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike.